Let's take a look at this new AI assistant in Designer Desk that will help you build your prototype applications. Straight from the Designer Desk main menu, you can enter the prompt, or if you already have a prototype, you can access this AI assistant from the menu in the top right. For this example, I will ask it for a process to handle complaints. And this will take a moment, so don't worry. Let's see what it creates. So here is its idea of what the workflow should look like. The main bulk is the handling of the complaint, and also has a multi-step registration for assignment. And here is a slightly different example. I used a very similar prompt, but I specifically asked for two end steps, so we have a happy and sad outcome possible. And I also wanted a separate step for consulting with the submitter. And it did that with the isolated step in its own separate phase here to the right. So the workflow is one thing, but the part that I really enjoy is that it builds you your initial form. And while we can question the aesthetic choices here, it's really cool that it creates a starting point for the complaint form, with a bunch of relevant fields. And these aren't just placeholder text fields. We have actual drop-down fields here like this complaint type, which of course needs a data source. And it makes those as well. Here if I go over to data sources, I see it created two fixed value lists, one for the status field and the other for the complaint type. So it thought that these complaint types made sense, put them in a fixed value list, and then put them in a choice field. And from here you can of course edit the prototype yourself, or you can ask the assistant to add additional things. Like for example, here I asked it to create a drop-down with countries, and it did. It created the data source and plugged it into a customer country choice field. And when you are ready, you can publish this to Designer Studio and take it from there. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the Quick Tips playlist or sign up for the full course at academy.webcon.com.